How to archive on Reddit. Hello and welcome to Tech It's Simple. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can archive on Reddit. For that, you'll have to open your Reddit application on your mobile device. Once it loads, make sure you are logged into your account. Now, once you reach this page, at the top right, you will find 3 horizontal lines. Click on those 3 lines, and some menu will appear from there. Here, under your community sector, select your community that you have created before. Once you reach this community page, click on this Mod Tools option, and you will be taken to this page where you will find various moderator tools categorized under different headings. Under this General heading, here you will find Archive Post just below Mod Notifications. Click on this Archive Post, and inside it, you will find the toggle button. You just have to toggle this button to enable it. By doing this, you have allowed no commenting or voting on posts older than 6 months. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell icon to get notifications on more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.